Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a system that's helping beginners grow their email list faster than ever, without complicated tech, without big budgets, and without wasting months guessing what to do. It's called the 5-Day List Blitz, and if you're serious about building an online business, you'll want to hear this. The 5-Day List Blitz is a step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to go from zero to daily leads in just 5 simple days. No overwhelm, no confusion, just clear instructions you follow one day at a time. It works because it removes all the guesswork. Instead of trying random strategies, you follow a proven plan that helps you attract the right audience, gets people excited to join your email list, builds trust, and turns leads into income. This is the same process top marketers use, simplified for beginners. Day 1, your foundation. You get crystal clear on who you're helping and what problem you're solving. This is the key to attracting quality leads. Day 2, create your free offer. You make a simple lead magnet, like a short guide or checklist, that gives people a reason to sign up. Day 3, build your funnel. You set up one landing page, one thank you page, and one short automation. Everything is beginner friendly. Day 4, traffic made simple. You learn how to bring people to your landing page using easy traffic methods anyone can do, even with no followers. Day 5, turn leads into buyers. You learn how to write simple emails that build trust and naturally lead people to buy. This is perfect for beginners, busy people, and anyone who wants a clear, simple plan. It works for affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching, and more. If you want daily leads without burning out, this is for you. You finally have a real funnel working for you. Your lead magnet is ready, your page is live, and new subscribers are coming in even while you're asleep. People you've never spoken to are actually requesting your free resource, opening your emails, and clicking on your links. You're not invisible anymore. You're not chasing anyone. And you're growing your own audience in your own space on your own terms. And it gets even better because you're not just getting the main training, you're also getting 4 powerful bonuses that speed up your results. Bonus number 1, Partnership Traffic Blueprint. This is where you learn how to tap into other people's audiences. Imagine getting shoutouts, swaps, and simple collabs that bring in traffic fast without spending a rupee or a dollar on ads. Bonus number 2, Done for You email sequence. You'll get a ready-to-use 5 email funnel that builds trust, warms up your audience, and gets people clicking. No writing skills needed, just plug it in and let it work for you. Bonus number 3, Swipe File Vault. This is your secret shortcut. You'll get proven landing page lines, attention-grabbing email subject lines, DM messages, and irresistible opt-in prompts you can copy and use instantly. No guessing, no staring at a blank screen. Bonus number 4, Monetization Map. This shows you exactly how to turn your email list into income, even if it's small. Low-ticket offers, upsells, memberships. You'll learn the simple steps to start earning sooner than you think.
Let me guess. You've been showing up, posting on social media, trying all the tips. Maybe you've even downloaded a dozen freebie templates or watched hours of YouTube tutorials. But here you are, still staring at a list that's barely moving. Crickets in your inbox. No leads, no sales. If that sounds familiar, this might be the most important 5 minutes you spend this week. Hi, I'm Mirko, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you how complete beginners are building real email lists from scratch in just 5 days. And I've spent the last few years helping creators, solopreneurs, and marketers just like you build one of the most powerful digital assets in business. A responsive, profitable email list. I created the 5-Day List Blitz because most people are wasting time, losing sales, and burning out all because no one gave them a plan that actually works. What you're about to see isn't theory. It's not fluff. And it's definitely not what the gurus are pushing in their $997 courses. It's a fast, focused system that gets you results even if you're starting from absolute zero. Still posting for crickets? Watching others grow while your list sits at zero? Wondering if you're just not cut out for this? Be honest. How many times have you posted something and thought, "This is the one I'll finally start building my audience," only to get nothing? No clicks, no subscribers, no sales. You're doing all the right things, or at least what the gurus tell you, but your list still looks like it did 6 months ago. You watch other people grow, launch, make money, And you start asking the question no one wants to admit out loud. Am I just not cut out for this? Why most list building advice fails. The real reason your list isn't growing? It's not you. It's the broken advice you've been fed. Here's the truth. No one's telling you. You don't have a motivation problem. You don't have a tech problem. And you definitely don't need another funnel theory video. What you have is a strategy problem. The list-building tips floating around today are either outdated, overly complicated, or completely unrealistic if you're starting from scratch. Posting every day hoping someone notices? That's not a strategy. Spending weeks tweaking a funnel with no traffic? That's not a strategy. You need a plan built for people who want results fast, without the fluff, the funnel nightmares, or the endless guesswork. Imagine logging into your inbox 5 days from now and seeing a flood of new subscribers who actually want what you're offering. Not ghost followers, not dead leads, but real, targeted people, the kind who click, reply, and buy. That's exactly what the 5-day List Blitz delivers. A proven, battle-tested system that's taken complete beginners from 0 to hundreds of subscribers. Without paid ads, without an existing audience, and without needing weeks of complicated setup. If you can follow a simple checklist each day, you can build a powerful, responsive email list faster than you ever thought possible. Here's how we do it. The 5-day List Blitz is built around one simple blueprint. First, we create a magnetic lead magnet that your audience actually wants. Second, we plug it into a high-converting opt-in funnel that's quick to build and fast to launch. And third, we activate the free traffic triad: social, search, and partnerships that drive real people to your list. You're not just getting a course. You're getting a checklist, a system, and a strategy that works. And it's all broken down into one focused task per day, so you never feel stuck. This is where most people get it wrong and where you'll finally get it right. You don't need to create a full ebook or spend days writing a guide. In day 2 of the Blitz, you'll follow our magnet matrix to create a freebie that hooks attention fast. You'll brainstorm, validate, and outline your lead magnet using formats that convert 30% or more of your traffic into subscribers. Checklists, swipe files, mini email courses. Quick to make, easy to deliver, and powerful enough to start building your list the same day you hit publish. Think funnels have to be complicated? Think again. On day 3, you'll use our plug-and-play funnel framework to build a simple opt-in page that does one job: get the right people to say yes. You'll get a copy-and-paste landing page template, a proven layout that converts strangers into subscribers, and step-by-step walkthroughs so you're never stuck. The best part? No paid tools required, no design needed, no coding at all. In less than an hour, your list-building funnel will be live and ready to collect leads. What good is a funnel if no one sees it? That's why days 4 and 5 are all about traffic, real, free traffic, from places your ideal subscribers are already hanging out. First, we tap into social traffic from Instagram, Facebook groups, and LinkedIn, even if you have 0 followers. Then we activate evergreen search and community traffic using Quora, Reddit, Google-friendly blog posts, and niche forums. No shout-outs, no begging, no paid ads. Just 3 proven traffic engines working in sync, sending people directly to your list on autopilot. And you'll set them up in under 60 minutes per day. Let's skip the hype and look at the numbers. According to industry data, email delivers 4x the ROI of social media. The average ROI from email marketing is a staggering 4,400%. That's $44 back for every $1 spent. While everyone's chasing likes and fighting algorithms, smart marketers are building lists because email gives you direct access, no gatekeepers, and total control. And when you follow a system that builds that list fast, like the 5-day List Blitz, you can start seeing results immediately. That's the power of a responsive email list. It's not just nice to have, it's your biggest digital asset. Here's what you get when you join the 5-day List Blitz today. The 5-day List Blitz Blueprint, a step-by-step guide focused on action, not theory. Worksheets, templates, and swipe files to speed up every step. A proven checklist that walks you through what to do, when to do it, and why it works, no guessing. 3 powerful free traffic strategies that anyone can activate without followers or ads. A plug-and-play welcome email sequence to turn cold leads into warm buyers. And 4 bonus modules that make growing, monetizing, and scaling your list easier than ever. Whether you're a total beginner or starting over after failing before, this is the system that finally makes list building click. And because I want you to hit the ground running, when you join the Blitz, you also get 4 powerful bonuses absolutely free. Bonus number 1, Partnership Traffic Blueprint. Learn how to borrow other people's audiences to grow your list without pitching or paying. Bonus number 2, Done-for-You Email Sequence. A copy-paste 5 email funnel that builds trust and gets subscribers ready to buy. Bonus number 3, Swipe File Vault. Need help writing emails, landing pages, or DMs? We've done it for you, just tweak and launch. Bonus number 4, Monetization Map. Ready to make money from your list? This bonus shows you how even with a tiny audience. These aren't fluff. They're real tools built to make you faster, sharper, and profitable sooner. You can get full access to the 5-day List Blitz, the entire system, all the bonuses, lifetime updates, and the private community. For a one-time low-price payment, but hurry, the price go up soon. No upsells, no recurring fees, no nonsense. And it's 100% backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel more confident building your list after going through the content, I'll give you your money back. But fair warning, to protect the quality of the community, the price will go up soon. So if you're even thinking about doing this, now is the time. Look, you've been thinking about this long enough. You know your list isn't growing. You know you're stuck in content loops, traffic struggles, or tech overwhelm. But none of that has to continue. The 5-day List Blitz gives you the roadmap, the tools, and the structure to finally get moving and get results fast. If you can commit 30-60 minutes a day for 5 days, you can launch a list that becomes your #1 asset online. That means more leads, more launches, more income. It's not about someday. It's about this week. Click below to join now. Let's build your list together.